How to set up connection between Softinn Booking Engine with STAAH Channel Manager. Hi Softinn Booking Engine user. Softinn BE is now integrated with STAAH Channel Manager. With this integration, your Softinn BE now works just like another OTA, of which you can now connect Softinn BE to your STAAH Channel Manager. Once the connection is established between Softinn BE and your STAAH Channel Manager, you could just manage your BE's room inventory, rates and restriction all from your STAAH Channel Manager, without needing to manage them separately from Softinn BE anymore. Yes, save your time and effort. Check out this video to find out more on how to set up the connection between Softinn BE with STAAH Channel Manager. First and foremost, please provide your STAAH Hotel ID to your Softinn account manager, for us to prepare for the initial integration. After you were notified by your account manager to start doing the setup, log into your Softinn extranet. Go to Setup and click on Softinn BE and STAAH Settings. Please take note that the access to this page is controlled by user role. By default, only lodge owner is given the full access to this page. Do reach out to your supervisor for more access to this page, if needed. Well, this is the Softinn BE and STAAH Settings page. Your STAAH Hotel ID will be shown on the page. Firstly, complete the room mapping between STAAH Channel Manager and Softinn BE. You will need to make sure you have done creating all the room types in both Softinn BE and STAAH Channel Manager, before doing the room mapping. In this example, I would like to map for the standard room type. I choose standard room on the room, BE, drop-down menu, and then I select standard from the room, STAAH, drop-down menu. Subsequently, I click on the map room button. Mapping for standard room is done. By default, the status will be deactivated. Proceed to toggle the button to activate the mapping when you are ready. Once you have enabled it, the icon beside standard room will be changed from not connected to connected. Repeat the same for the rest of the room types, if any. Next, complete the rate plan mapping between Softinn BE and STAAH Channel Manager. Before you start doing the rate plan mapping, you will need to make sure you have set up the rate plan in both Softinn BE and STAAH Channel Manager. In this example, I would like to map the best available rate plan. I select the best available rate on Rate Plan, BE, drop-down menu, and then map to the room only from the Rate Plan, STAAH, drop-down menu. Then, I click on the Map Rate Plan button to complete the rate plan mapping. By default, the status will be on inactive. Toggle the button to activate it when you are ready. Once you have enabled it, the icon beside the best available rate will be changed from not connected to connected. Proceed to map the rest of the rate plan, if any. Once you have completed the room mapping and rate plan mapping, please reach out to Softinn Account Manager. We will do the necessary checking before enabling the connection of your BE account with STAAH Channel Manager. Once your account is connected with STAAH Channel Manager, you shall see connected status appears on the Softinn BE and STAAH Settings page. Then, you may click on the Get Inventory from STAAH button. This will sync 1.5 years of inventory and rates data from STAAH Channel Manager to Softinn BE. Please take note that, once the connection between Softinn BE and STAAH is activated, all the connected rooms availability, rates, and restrictions shall be controlled from your STAAH Channel Manager account. You are no longer be able to update them from Softinn BE. Any new paid booking received from your direct booking engine will be updated to your STAAH Channel Manager account. The activities that happen in BE and STAAH setting page also will be recorded in the activity log report on Softinn BE, for audit trail purposes. Lastly, an extra note for you if you are also Softinn PMS user. If you connected your Softinn BE with STAAH Channel Manager, you will not be able to enable PMS and BE sync in your Softinn PMS account. Well, do reach out to your account manager to learn more about this, and start the connection setup between Softinn BE and your STAAH Channel Manager. Let's try it out.
Hello, thank you for watching. My name is Softinn, and I am a full stack developer in Softinn's product department. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you.